In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Otter AI take smart notes instead of just full transcriptions. This is perfect for meetings, brainstorming sessions, or lectures. So let's dive right in. First things first, open Otter AI. You'll want to do this in your browser or on the mobile app. It's worth noting that this tutorial will work whether you have a free or a paid account, so you're good to go either way. Next up, you'll need to record or import your audio. You have a couple of options here. You can either record your meeting live by letting Otter listen in real time, or if you prefer, you can upload an existing audio or video file. Just click on record to start capturing live conversations, or choose import to bring in an audio or video file you already have. Remember, recording every single word isn't necessary if you're just after some succinct, summarized notes. Once you've set things in motion, let Otter do its magic by creating the transcript. Otter will generate this automatically for you, but that's just the starting point. What we really want is to transform that transcript into clear, concise notes using Otter's summary notes feature. Now let's focus on this handy summary feature. After Otter finishes working on the transcription, scroll down to the bottom of your document. This is where the magic happens. The summary section will appear, and here, Otter uses the power of AI to automatically craft meeting notes for you. For example, instead of transcribing every detail like, "John, we should launch next week," Otter will summarize it as "launch date confirmed for next week." It's more efficient and gets straight to the point. Of course, Otter might not catch everything perfectly, so you have the flexibility to edit the summary or manually highlight key moments. All you have to do is select any portion of text in the transcript and click highlight. Those will be added to your summary automatically. When you're satisfied with your streamlined notes, the next step is to either share them or export them. Hit share to send your notes to your teammates, or click export, then summary only to save just the standout points. No need to clutter your space with the full transcript. You can export in various formats like PDF, TXT, or DOSX. Or if you prefer, just copy and paste them into tools like Google Docs or Notion. Here's a little bonus tip for you. If you're using Autopilot with Zoom or Google Meet, it can join your meetings automatically and send you AI-generated notes right afterward. That means no more slogging through full transcripts. Convenient and time-saving. And just like that, here's what your final output looks like. Short, clean bullet points that encapsulate your entire meeting. These are perfect for quick recaps, detailed reports, or simple reminders. And that's it. That's how you turn full transcriptions into smarter, summarized notes with Otter AI. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Otter AI and AI productivity tips.